Welcome back to our next video. I am giving videos on various topics related to study and corporate job strategies, as though I am in severe bad crisis in my family. So please follow my channel and subscribe. I have showed today you some books of civil services and which I have previously explained in my previous videos. So you can see today some of the books. As I am from West Bengal, all of my beloved brothers and sisters from West Bengal can also see some Bengali version books also from them, though I am not preparing now, but due to heavy obstacles and heavy turmoil in my family, but I have showed you some books on behalf of this. You can see it. So I have shown the books which I have once read, and now I am stopped studying but preparing for others examination as private and government job also. So you can see it. I also want to go for civil service examination, but preparation is slow, but I want to show you some books. You can see it. Okay, stay with the videos. This is from Bank PO. It is from Arihant 35 practice sets. It is a previous year's editions, and now you can buy from it Flipkart or Amazon, whatever the others offline shops also. Everywhere books can obtain by 10% to 15% discount, but Flipkart, Amazon, it's more discount. You can avail it for Bank PO. It is other sections, and very good books now. Very good books are coming nowadays for bank exams too. So English we can read HS Applied English Grammar and Composition, PC Das, and Arihant book you can also buy the NCERT exemplar biology books. You can for the elemental biology for WBC, civil service, general science, and others examination. And you must read the general science encyclopedia from Arihant publication. It is very useful book and very popular book, and very easy to read out the book. And I must give you the choice to buy the book. It is the encyclopedia of general science for general competitions. It will be very useful for all examinations, staff selection commission, and other science related examination, for any kind of private jobs, science related, for the basics, and others, staff selection commission, and SLST related, school teaching line subject related. You can also buy it, and you can get information from this book, and as a reference book, obviously as a reference book. And you can also prefer the general science book from MacBook Arihant. It is also a very good book and very popular and useful book. It provides almost every information and every topic, science and technology nowadays, recent science topics, the physics, chemistry, biology topics for general science. And for geography you must read the Majid Hossain sir Indian World Geography. It is the Indian World Geography, but Indian Geography is another separate book. It you can buy it, Indian World Geography. It is previous edition, latest edition is in the market. You must buy the latest edition always. And in Bengali version you can do for general knowledge Dr. Mausam Majumdar encyclopedia. It also very good for those who want to give the examination in Bengali language. And for history in Bengali version Swadesh Sabhyata Bishwa, Dr. Mukhopadhyay is very useful book and very good book. And for English version, Indian Struggle for Independence. It is a novel, and it is filled details texts Last year I have read out very details, but due to my family problem also, my wife's severe problem with disease, kidney related and urine problem disease, I can't read much. By little bit but I started very good, but because of many obstacles and many financial crises, I don't go for the examination here last year. And it is very good and very popular book, Indian Struggle for Independence. Those you can also use it as optional subject, history. It is very useful book. It is a history, okay. It is covered with ancient, medieval and modern book, Indian Struggle for Independence. And Lucent's general knowledge. It is very useful for Staff Selection Commission, banks, POLIC, other state level examination, not civil service. It is also useful for civil service, but also useful for others examination below the rank of civil service examination. Civil service is high rank examination, but Lucent general knowledge you can use it. So next is for English, Arihant 151 SS, SC Gupta. Arihant 151 SS, SC Gupta, The Indian Economy, Sanjeev Verma. You can also buy it. I read it last year, but not totally read, but I read it in little bit because of same problem. So Indian Economy, Sanjeev Verma is also a very useful book. It is useful for APSC, PPF exams and other short other combined graduate level, SSC 10+2 state PSC levels examination. You can read it. And it is also useful for Indian civil service examination, UPSC, state, WB West Bengal civil service, state civil service examination. For preliminary examination, and you can also prefer it as mains as reference. Okay. And beside it, for Bengali version WBC, you can read this Bharata Paschim Bangar Bhugol, Dr. Karthik Chandra Mondal. And it is others book at NTA UGC NET JRF paper 1. For paper 1 you can study it. And Bengali Competitive Mathematics, Topoli Publishers for Bengali version. And you must buy the below one book, the last book, Disha Publications, 25 years UPSC IS and IPS prelims. For it is very useful for as UPSC civil service preliminary plus mains, also useful for various state levels civil service examination, and very much useful for preliminary also. So this is the book I buy last year, but now I stopped it because of some problems. Sometimes I read out, but not possible to read in very much because of some huge problem in my family. That is why I have shown you the books, what to buy and what to read out. And you must be, if you read it thoroughly, then you will be a qualifier to the mains. And you should be read it very details, not if you read today or after tomorrow you not read. That is not way to give success. So you read out in consistently. You should read and give your best effort. So that's much today. Thank you. First video I write some books of NCERT. What is the NCERT books? I have a demo of this book, and science part I will show you. Textbook of class 10. You can this type of books is written is here. National Council of Education Research Training, NCERT. This book you can avail it from any offline bookshop or online. You can show the syllabus. And this is the science book. You can also avail by social science also. This is the syllabus of science. Cover it. Chapter 1 to chapter 16 you can show it. So you must buy the NCERT books for basics knowledge for every examination. You must buy it. Okay, that's much for today, and we will come back with next another video. Thank you.